Let's do the burger.
Burger pose. 1, 2, 3, go.
Let's say thank you, Adela. Thank you, Adela.
Wait.
Fit check.
Outfit check.
We're hungry. Ah, riding down.
Nag-start to ganyan nga.
Walking the streets of Pangalan.
Oh, this is Marlo.
Smart friends. Midnight snack.
Oh. Adela Resort.
Tuti. Bye guys.
Adela Tino. Kasi mahirapan man ako mag-isaya. If you want to visit,
So we also want to thank our agency, Laag Travel and Tours. They are very accommodating. And regardless of our demands or any changes in the exclusive,
We would like to also thank the Tok Tok. Yeah. For bringing us anywhere.
for our driver
Tok
also.
Tok. Sadly, he's not Korean. Okay.
yes. We also thank
For our
ourselves.
other. Good job, Seth.
Work.
Nice, no? Franz, ayaw ganito ang shoulder. Oh! Sunburn good siya. Sakit good siya. Oh.
This is Adela, but our
Our
room
unit
is there at the side, at the corner, because they know that we are very noisy, so that's why they put us there. Okay, so we need to rate na ano yung pinakamagandang napuntahan dito sa Bohol.
Okay. That's a
in
good
our,
question.
ano,
Say, place or experience? Sige.
experience.
Sige.
Ikaw
Who wants to go
ikaw
first?
una.
Ladies first.
Ako? ATV.
Yeah. Yes, me too. ATV.
Okay, not part of the
No,
friendship.
it's ATV.
Ah.
Yeah.
Napilitan siya kasi wala na
No, I have a souvenir in ATV.
Oh, the puti?
The putik, yeah.
Next is the dolphin watch.
Yes.
Lagundo.
We call our friends.
Fucking
We're done with the ano na events. How about the food?
I'll go for the dun sa island hopping sa
No.
No, di ako.
Bohol. I love the Bohol Beef Farm.
The farm.
Bohol Beef.
Sorry ka ako. Yari, kayo.
Bohol
The
Beef
farm?
Farm food.
Dito ko kay Marvin.
Dito ko sa sa
Siguro sa ako ang gi-order.
Oo.
Asa nga Bohol?
Sa ano? Sa Barlikasan.
Ang balikasag doon.
Balikasag.
Oh!
The smell of the lemon is lemonizing.
Yung umiyak yung fish.
Yeah.
Oh, okay din. Lutong Pinoy.
Yeah, lutong
Yung nagpalabas ng hinanakit si ate sapagkat mahal ang kanilang binibenta dahil malayo ang pinapikukunan.
And
Very
then,
wow.
outfit, day one outfit.
Yes, na denim.
Drink.
Karon?
Karon.
Gana ko pastel.
Today?
Oh.
Yes, but Marvin.
Marvin na pastelin.
Someone make
They
it.
didn't follow the instructions.
Marvin is not pastel.
Yeah.
How about what is the
people.
people that we ano?
Okay.
FO after.
No, I like all of you because you allow me to borrow your phone. Even though you don't have an iPhone, you could. That's also one of the benefit having a friend that is richy.
We thank Jed and Lorraine
Yes.
Yes, the couple.
for joining us.
Your
For
presence is presenting.
Shout out to
Presents.
Presenting.
Presence is a virtue.
We,
Thank you for being and go with the flow.
Yeah.
We thank Lord for our keeping money, for being our
Keeper.
bank.
Our
Yeah,
keeper.
for the money.
for the
Money keeper.
Treasurer na lang.
Treasurer for
Treasurer.
short. And we also thank you, Mervin, for
Our
our
organization.
Yeah.
organized.
organization.
And
the
also we thank you, Marlo,
organization.
for being the
Our
outfit.
Outfit, yeah,
And
for the
yes.
creative.
Picture.
And I thank myself for the
Participation! Participation!
Absent pa dyan.
Participation!
Lieutenant Francis for
Absent
his
pa dyan.
unwavering
For,
support in our roles. We thank
Yes.
for his
Todo na to.
banka.
Yes.
We solo the
Yeah.
pool. We
solo the pool.
We solo the pool. Apat lang kami dito sa pool, guys.
We individualize the pool.
We,
Ano tayo mo?
Ano
Ano
yun?
term?
Tama ba to? Saan na mahabi?
we soloing the pool.
Individualizing the
Individualizing the pool. Ang
Ano
taas
yung
ng
entry ang
humor niyo.
Marlo Gnor?
We are one.
We,
We are one with the pool.
Marlo, saan ka?
Okay, message to our friends who are not yet
We're not
here.
here,
Yes.
yes. But invited, guys.
If you want to,
Two,
2,
three,
3, 4.
So,
Okay,
shout
hi to our
out
vlog.
for...
The views and opinions
Of
of
this,
Francis.
is
And the editor.
does not reflect
the views
of
his
the
friends,
of the
okay.
press, yes.
For those group of friends who said
No.
that we cannot live without something to drink, doesn't matter. Okay? If you go to Bohol, please check the number of stairs. Because the stairs doesn't...
Chocolate Hills.
Yes. Ay,
Mga
chocolate,
bilangin nila
chocolate
buong Bohol.
Hills, yes.
Buwi ko ka-upload sa day 3.
You're correct.
Ay, English na to ano, mga Pilipino.
Sige daw.
Sige daw. Pangilan ka sa
Pangilan
magkakapatid. In English,
Teka lang.
spaghetti.
Ay, I know that,
Fried chicken.
Pangilan ka sa
Sa magkakapatid.
let and,
The correct phrase is, what is your birth order
Wow.
among your siblings?
what is your birth?
Yeah, nakita ko lang sa
Order.
TikTok.
Everyone, every all.
Kano sa gamiton ang all together o all
Nga,
together?
space.
When do we use the has, the have, and the had?
So, anong pinakaiba ng every space day and every day? Space
Ano
day?
siya every, tapos all, every all? This is the last video. So, that's your assignment.
Check for part 2 na lang, guys. Tayo na bash dito, mga math major. Dapat math itatanong natin.
Ay, Adela is the name of the owner, ate. Adela is the name of the owner. Wow.
Yan surname.
Oh, resort.
Resort ang
Resort ang
surname.
surname. Thank you, ate.
Kindly
Why?
comment.
Yeah. Tapos na po, kami na po
Sige
ay
na, yan na
magpapaalam
Kami
sa
ang
aming
Mm.
video na ito.
I hope.
Sapagkat may natutunan kayo sa aming mga katang isip lamang na minsan ay nagsasabing ang
Whether
buhay ay nasa Adela.
Galing, ang
We love you,
galing,
Adela.
ang galing ng sponsorship.
Adela.
Adela. On 3, 2, 1, action!
Yes.
Ito para sa inyo. Mabuhay kayo. Jom Jom, ito yung pangalan mo ha.
Ano ibibigay mo kay Job? Sapatos? Damit?
Lina, ang sa inyo ay sa...
Gusto daw ni Julina ng sapatos at damit na naibigay ba?
Alam mo kasi hiker ka.
Oo, kaya nga sapatos din.
Ano sa inyo?
Dili ah, Diyos ko, malinaw ba?
Okay, thumbs up if you're done. Are you done?
No, we have
No pa daw.
Ay, we have
Nada po text. What is the question? Guys,
Uy,
drop
usan
your
ako
question.
wifi. You're destroying my peace of mind.